If you're watching this, chances are you're either in business or want to be in business. And if you are in business, chances are you want to maximize your profits. Which is why, in this video, we've put together these 7 pro tips to maximize your business. Number 1, time management for business. Assuming you have a business, time management is key to success. If you can't manage your time, you can't manage your business. Make a schedule and stick to it. Delegate tasks and responsibilities. Take breaks and enjoy your life outside of work. Learn to say no when necessary. And don't procrastinate or put things off until later. Number 2, money management for business. Money management is key to any business, large or small. Proper money management can mean the difference between success and failure. Develop budget and stick to it. This will help you keep track of your expenses and income so that you can make informed financial decisions. Number 3, human resources for business. A good human resources department can help you find and keep the best employees, handle payroll and benefits, and resolve any workplace conflicts. They can also help you create a positive work environment that encourages productivity and creativity. Number 4, marketing your business. There are many different channels through which you can market your business, including online, offline, and word of mouth. And within each of these channels, there are countless tactics and strategies you can use to reach your target market. To get started, consider what your goals are and who your target market is. Then, create a marketing plan that outlines the specific tactics you'll use to reach them. Be sure to include a mix of online and offline marketing activities, as well as some budget for paid advertising. Number 5, write a business plan. If you're starting a business, one of the first things you need to do is write a business plan. Before you start writing your plan, it's important to understand the landscape in which your business will operate. What is the market for your product or service? Who are your competitors? How will you differentiate yourself from them? Doing some research up front will save you time and effort later on. Number 6, set up the perfect workspace. Whether you're working from home or in an office, it's important to have a workspace that is comfortable and conducive to productivity. A cluttered workspace can be distracting and make it difficult to focus on work. By investing in a desk with plenty of storage, you can keep your workplace tidy and organized. And number 7, innovate. Innovation is the key to staying ahead of the competition and keeping your business relevant. Encourage creativity in your team, create an environment where employees feel comfortable sharing new ideas, stay up to date on industry trends, keep updated what's happening in your industry so you can anticipate changes and innovate accordingly. At last, innovation often requires taking risks, so don't be afraid to go for it